Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on the Fifth Third Bank app. In this video, we'll explore all its features and tips to help you manage your finances effortlessly. Let's start with how to easily download and set up the Fifth Third Bank app. Simply head over to your device's app store, search for Fifth Third Bank, and click Download. Now that you have the app, let's navigate the home screen. Here, you'll find your account balances, quick access to recent transactions, and the navigation menu for all features. Easily manage your accounts by checking balances and reviewing transaction histories right from the home screen. Transferring funds is a breeze. Here's your step-by-step guide to make both internal and external transfers in just a few taps. Setting up your bill payments is simple. Let's explore how to set up recurring payments and manage upcoming bills directly through the app. Did you know you can easily deposit checks from your phone? Here's how to use the mobile deposit feature seamlessly. Stay informed about your finances by setting up alerts and notifications. We'll show you exactly how to never miss an important update. Security is a top priority. We'll guide you through the app's robust security features that help keep your account safe. Finally, here are some tips and tricks to maximize your experience with the Fifth Third Bank app for smooth banking.